Emerson, our industry-leading quality standards not only ensure product reliability and performance, but they also translate into manufacturing and distribution efficiencies that ensure you have the superior flame and gas products you need, when and where you need them. All Emerson flame and gas instruments are designed to meet the highest safety requirements for industrial applications. Test calibrations are completed by our metrology laboratories with traceability to national and international standards, such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology. Optical flame detectors are built to be exceptionally durable and weather-resistant for use in hazardous areas, are SIL 2 approved and third-party certified to the most current international standards for safety and reliability. Toxic and combustible gas detection solutions feature robust construction to operate reliably in the toughest conditions, including rain, snow, ice, and extreme temperatures. All of our products are assembled following a highly efficient pick-to-light manufacturing process that cuts assembly time by half and improves delivery speed. Automated manufacturing processes help reduce downtime, operational loss, and production inefficiencies. Finally, we have distribution facilities throughout the world to support customer delivery needs. Emerson's complete line of flame and gas detectors offers superior quality you can rely on to give your personnel and operation the confidence and protection they need.